every one of us well-being.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Dolly. Even your initiatives in this manner are to be appreciated. And I have been, I haven't gone through the entire deliberation of this conference, but the brief glimpse that I have seen, I have realized that it is going on in a right path, and there are a lot of suggestions that we would be taking up from the deliberations that have taken place during the various technical sessions. Uh, the title itself, Working Women and Well-Being, I will, we have seen so many aspects: working women in corporate life, agriculture, labor, holistic development, the position of women. Very interesting topic was taken up by Sir just now. Then the personal histories that we have gone through. Uh, all that I need to say is, of course, the times have changed. We have crossed the threshold. हम बाहर निकल चुके हैं. अब निकलने के बाद जो challenges है उसके बारे में हम continuously सारे lectures में सुनते आए हैं. आज सुबह ही एक WhatsApp पे message था. What are you, woman? The title is What are you, woman? Are you sad, kind, compromising, delicate, emotional? So you are made of this stuff. Or are you confident, assertive, strong, holistic, developing? Now see, you have to choose. You want to make yourself out of which stuff? And all the deliberations that went on are proving or trying to push you into the second category of women that you ought to be. And I know the time is short. We have been cutting so many good speakers. I was really feeling sorry for them, and I don't want to extend my time too. But I am reminded of the lines from Tennyson's Ulysses: to strive, to seek, to need, and not to yield. And this is what has been happening with us. See, we have crossed the threshold. While coming on the way, I was telling ma'am that things have changed. I remember a time when we went to look out for daughters-in-law. We used to say, हमें working woman नहीं चाहिए. नहीं नहीं नहीं, ये तो घर नहीं संभाल पाएगी, है ना? और अब जब हम ढूंढने जाते हैं लड़की, even for me, first was, is she a working woman? I mean, we want a working woman. And when we want a working woman, there are things that need to change. And the changes we should not, I mean, women should not accept that the changes will be made by society. We will have to change the society. To strive, to seek, to need, and not to yield. And therefore, not to yield means, ma'am had just now given her own story in which she struggled so hard to become a blasting engineer. So not to yield. You have to find your own way. You have to assert yourself. And the best, the only advice I would like to give to the working women, to any sector that they belong, is they need to understand time management. It's very important. See, we cannot shirk away from our responsibilities. I mean, somebody said that you have to fly, then okay, chai bana ke jao. Okay, these responsibilities will not go that easily. But we have to learn to do it. We have to assert ourselves. We have to decide our own priorities. We cannot, as being women, being kind, we cannot neglect our families. We cannot neglect our children. And there was an example, just now somebody had mentioned that we wait, tere papa ko aane de. But things have changed in my own household. Poor son of mine has to say, teri mummy se puchna padega. The daughter won't listen. She has to be scared. Maa aa jayegi, dekh le, kar le. The things have changed, so things are changing. But how are they changing? We are striving, we are striking, we are asserting, and we have to assert. And we cannot wait for others to do this for us. We will have to help ourselves. A great feministic lesson was given to me by my mother. I was feeding my children with the Alfonso mangoes that had come from Mumbai. You know, it was, I mean, now things are very easy, but say 10 years back, things used to be difficult. And I was feeding my sons. My mother was watching me. She said, Nafisa, तू भी खा ना. मैंने कहा नहीं नहीं बच्चे खा रहे हैं, हम बहुत खुश हैं. नफीसा एक बात ध्यान रखना, मैं एक ही बात कहूंगी, अपनी भी जान होती है. This was a big lesson she gave me. You owe your first duty to yourself. The day you realize this, you have captured, you have conquered the world. Whether you're a working woman, you're a household woman, a laborer, a leader, a prime minister, or whatever it is, learn you have your own self and you owe first duty to yourself. This is the advice my mom gave, and this is what I would share with all you. Thank you, all of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, ma'am.